The Chapter 10 performance task is relatively a short one. It's going to be working with a formula to calculate body surface area, something that's used in medications. So the formula is given to you as the BSA, body surface area, is equal to the height times the weight divided by 3600. One of the things you need to remember as you look at this is you can actually use some properties such as you can go like this over this, in which you could actually solve this and actually have whatever this number is times BSA is equal to height times weight. You can use things like that to do that. So part 1A, you want to find the body surface area of an adult that weighs 63.5 kilograms and has a height of 163 centimeters. So if you put those two things into the formula and calculate that, find the square root, you will get an answer that is going to be in kilograms centimeters. Alright, so part B says the average BSA for a 2-year-old child is approximately 0.5 square meters. So you want to find possible height and weight that could produce that. So you're going to solve backwards to find a height and weight combination that will give you that. Finally, part C is you're going to convert your own weight to kilograms and your height to centimeters, and you're going to calculate that using your own numbers. Second part is rewriting the formula to use BSA in meters squared is equal to the height in inches times the weight in pounds divided by 31. Again, that's the square root when you have a 1/2 exponent. So that's the same formula using inches and pounds. So you're going to part 2, you're going to use the conversion factors you found when converting your height and weight and show that these are the same formulas. Part 3 is given the formula from exercise 2 and a height of 5 feet 10 inches. You want to graph that equation. Again, it's good if you use Desmos or other graphing softwares. Here you would want to convert the BSA into a Y. You would want to convert your formula, your given height, so you want your weight to be an X when you do the formula, and you could put that in to give you a graph, and then you can sketch the graph. And then finally, using that graph, you can estimate the approximate weight that would yield a BSA of 2 square meters, so you can look at the graph to try to find that out. Again, this one's pretty simple, straightforward. Be sure to explain your reasoning, show your work, and again, if you have any questions, please ask.